صلی اللہ قرۃ عینی بک یا رسول صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم قرۃ عینی یا رسول اللہم صلی علی محمد وعجل فرج یاد صلوات یا علیہ یا علیہ یا علی خیر اللہ اللہ لا الہ الا لا الہ اللہم صلی علی محمد. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. اللہم صلی علی محمد و آل محمد وعجل فرج آل محمد. Today we are studying 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions. These are also called Diels-Alder reactions. We have already studied 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions. These are some more examples of these reactions. It is a Diels-Alder reaction or 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions are stereospecific, means syn addition reactions. Like this is diene, this is dieno, substituted dienophile. Then it will substitute, and these addition reaction occurs, and these substituents remain on the same site. This is the addition. Like this. This is another diene and dienophile. These are the substituents COOH and COOH. This is the diene. Again, when addition occurs, then substituents remain on the same side. This is the syn addition. Therefore, carboxyl group are on the same side and R group is also on the same side. A diene is electron donor. In these reactions, basically, diene is electron donor and dienophile is electron acceptor. Like this is the diene, this is the dienophile, ethene, this is the donor and this is the acceptor. This is donor and this is the electron acceptor. Like this reaction, when this is the 1,3-butadiene, this is the ethene, hexadiene is formed. When this is the malic acid and this is the substituted 1,3-butadiene, like this, and this is the 1,3-butadiene and this is the substituted diene, like this. So substituted cyclohexadiene is formed. These substituents, carboxyl group, which is called substituted phthalic acid, is formed. When diene has electron releasing group and dienophile has electron withdrawing group, because it is the electron acceptor and diene is the electron donor. When electron releasing group is attached to the diene, electron withdrawing group is attached to the dienophile, then reaction will become faster. 100% yield is obtained, maximum yield is obtained when diene has electron releasing group and dienophile has electron withdrawing group. So then Diels-Alder reaction is highly effective. Transition state, low energy is formed, which is easily converted into the adduct. This is the ERG, mean electron releasing group. So then this is the substituted diene which has electron releasing group. So this good yield of product is obtained. ERG means electron releasing group, NH3, NH2 group, OH group, Cl group, etc. Diels-Alder reactions with the inverse electron demand is also known. Diels-Alder reaction, inverse demand, there are also known reaction in which diene acts as the acceptor and dienophile acts as the donor. These are the rare reactions. So Diels-Alder reaction with inverse electron demand is also known. Diels-Alder reaction are thermally affected. These are the thermally induced. Some may occur at the 25 degree centigrade and some at the लो टेम्परेचर, इससे भी लो 25 या रूम टेम्परेचर से भी लो पे रिएक्शन जो है वो नाउन है. Some Diels-Alder reaction are catalyzed by the Lewis acids AlCl3, SnCl4, ZnCl2, etc. These catalysts attached in the transition state with the diene and act as the electron accepting groups. These catalysts attached in the transition state with the dienophile and act as the electron withdrawing group because these are the electron deficient. So AlCl3 SnCl2 catalyst coordinate with the dienophile. This is the dienophile and are act as the electron acceptor. So therefore reaction will become fast. CH3O, this is the CHO. Then when it is heated, so then this substituted this bond will shift here and this will shift here and this will shift between these two carbons. This double bond will shift next. So this will become substituted cyclohexadiene is formed. Substituted methoxy paramethoxy benzaldehyde is formed. Paramethoxy cyclohexenol is formed. This is the substituent which is attached here. It is the electron withdrawing group or it is the electron releasing group. Therefore this reaction will become fast. And many other examples we can put. These are the two molecules of 1,3-butadiene. This is the ketone dione, and these electron, this will substitute on this carbon, this will attached on this carbon, and these two and other will attached on this side. On both sides will take place the substitution. Cyclohexene is attached on this side and this side. This is another example. Many more example. This is furan. When it is this is the dienophile substituted, COO ET, ethyl group is attached. This is the diester. The substitution occur at this carbon and this carbon. So therefore this will become on this carbon. This is the oxygen atom which is already attached on this carbon and this carbon. This will shift here or this will shift here and this will shift between these two carbon atoms. So this will become a ring like this. And many other examples are also given. This is the dienophile, this is the diene and dienophile when combined, so this will compound will be found. Substitution will occur on this carbon and this carbon. This will become on this carbon. This is the 1,3-cyclopentadiene. This is substituted. Dienophile will attach on this carbon and this carbon. So these are the substituted nitrogen. Double bond will break between the dienophile. Any other examples? This is also diene and this is the dienophile. This will shift here and this double bond will shift here and will substitution occur on this carbon atom. This will this bond will shift here. These will substituted and will form the ring in the ring form. This carbon will coordinated and this double bond will shift on this carbon atom. This will shift on this between these carbon atoms. Many other example. This is the 1,3-cyclohexadiene. This is the diene. Substitution will occur on this carbon and this carbon atom. This bond will shift on, and this will shift between these two carbon atoms, and this will shift between these carbon atoms. So we get the substitution. This is the ethene molecule. Dienophile will add on this and this carbon. This is a ring is formed. Many other examples can be given. Diels-Alder reaction. These are all examples of 4+2 cycloaddition reactions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraja ali Muhammad.